Hi all! Today I want to show you how to make a very simple brown sugar scrub. This is a very easy to make sugar scrub, perfect for beginners, and the best thing is that it can be made with ingredients that you probably already have in your home. It is fully natural, smells great, and is quick and inexpensive to make. Before we start, I want to show you the finished scrub in action so you would know what to expect. It exfoliates really well and gets rid of all the dead skin. It's very pleasant to use and smells just like the cookie dough. When you wash off the scrub, a thin layer of oil stays on your skin and moisturizes and protects it throughout the day. So you don't need to use any moisturizer after the shower unless you want to. The best part is that your skin stays silky smooth and glowing throughout the day. So let's get started. To make this brown sugar scrub, you will need, you guessed it, some brown sugar. Brown sugar is a great natural exfoliator, and what I really like about it is that it smells really good on its own. The natural scent of ingredients is very important if you want to make a nice smelling scrub just with the ingredients from your cupboard without adding fragrance or essential oils. I chose brown sugar for its color and scent, but you can use white sugar too, or even simple table salt. When choosing brown sugar, or any sugar for that matter, for your scrubs, go for the one that has finer grain as it will feel better on the skin. The second ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is so popular that it has become a kitchen cupboard staple. It is inexpensive, smells great, and feels less greasy than most other oils and butters. The third ingredient is sweet almond oil. You can use any oil of your liking, but I am using sweet almond oil. You may be tempted to skip this oil and just add more coconut oil, but don't. Coconut oil is temperature sensitive and solidifies at cooler temperatures. When it's used in a sugar scrub, it tends to harden over time, making it difficult to use and get it out of the jar. Unfortunately, this happens even if you store it in the shower. So to prevent this, we need to add another liquid oil to the mix. What happens is that the oil mixes with coconut oil and prevents it from solidifying. Simple and effective. Okay, so let's make some sugar scrub. The process is very simple. Get yourself a big bowl for mixing, add your brown sugar, add coconut oil and sweet almond oil. Oh, and another ingredient I forgot to mention that you can use to take your homemade scrub to the next level is vanilla extract. Simple vanilla extract used for baking. I used 1 teaspoon. It will add to the natural scent of brown sugar and coconut oil and will make your scrub smell just like the cookie dough. But don't worry if you do not have any vanilla extract with you. Due to brown sugar and coconut oil, the scrub will smell lovely on its own anyway. So this is a totally optional ingredient. Now we just need to mix all of our ingredients together. By the way, you will find the recipe and measurements in the description of this video. There's also a link to my blog DIYbeautybase.com where you can read more about this recipe and check out other DIY beauty recipes. I've only now started uploading some videos to YouTube. I'm still learning, so most of my recipes are in my blog. If you want to venture into making scrubs, body butters and so on yourself, I highly recommend checking out the blog as I have some really good stuff there. Some recipes and tutorials that are just not on YouTube but are really good. Now that we are done mixing, we just need to scoop our scrub into a jar and we are done. You can keep the scrub in your bathroom cupboard or in the shower. No need to keep it refrigerated. The high sugar content acts as a preservative just like in a berry jam. I hope you enjoyed this simple sugar scrub recipe and tutorial. Let me know what other recipes and tutorials you would like to see on my YouTube channel. As I mentioned, I write a blog and where I share all my recipes. I may not be able to share all of them here on YouTube, so let me know what you would like to see in the future. Thank you for staying for the full video, and see you next time.